If their owners had it their way, these camels would be on a ship destined for the Middle East. But instead, they are here, at a market outside Mogadishu. Business is slow. Traders say they are barely able to earn any money.
We bring thousands of camels to the market, but there are no buyers to take them abroad. We only sell to customers in Mogadishu. Our camels go no further than Mogadishu now.
These used to be one of the biggest livestock markets in southern Somalia. Hundreds used to come here to trade 3 times a week. But that's all changed now.
Traders here have told us that they are keeping their camels away from the local market because of the poor price they receive. They are hoping that the fighting in places like Yemen, Syria and Iraq subsides so that they can sell their camels there again and make bigger profits.
According to the UN's Food and Agriculture Organization, Somalia exported 5 million livestock to Gulf countries in 2014. Almost 80,000 of that were camels. But this year, only 2,000 camels left Mogadishu port. With exports stopped, some of the camels end up in small meat markets like this one. But traders here say they are not doing any better either.
Before, the market was better. People had more money and they could afford to buy meat. The price of meat is still the same. Our business is connected to the general economy in the country, which is not very good.
The livestock industry used to employ 25% of the population. Now many have been left jobless.
Ships carrying camels were turned back from Yemen because of the ongoing conflict there. The stop in export has affected people badly. Hundreds of jobs have been lost and many more will be lost if exports don't start again. Somalia is suffering because of wars elsewhere.
As conflict continues in faraway countries, all the people and camels here can do is wait and pray the guns fall silent soon. Hamza Mohammed, Al Jazeera, El Shabiya, Somalia.